Hello, my name is Cedric and I manage the hospital at the Hawk Conservancy Trust, and this is Libby. She's a vet student, and Libby is going to help me this morning to handle a Tawny Owl who came yesterday. The bird was caught in a football net, and the lady was very kind and she brought the bird to us, and already the bird has done a very good recovery. But anyway, we're going to show you the bird. Beautiful bird. I think she's a female because she's got really big feet compared to the male, and she weighs over 450 grams. So she's a big bird. I think it's a juvenile from this year, very pale, and she still has a bit of down at the edge of her facial disc. But yeah, stunning bird. So she's eating on her own, so I'm not going to give her food. Instead, I'm just going to deworm her. It's very important. And we're going to do it once a day for 3 days, basically. Just like this. And she's done. And just need to give her breakfast. Okay, put the water in the corner.
Tiny, cute little thing.
This is a falcon. He's a hobby and a juvenile hobby. He came to us yesterday, and quite local actually. And it's a juvenile hobby. You can see he hasn't got any white on his cheeks. And that's a bird who just left his mom and dad, his parents, if you like, and I think he was doing quite well. Unfortunately, he probably didn't find food for a little while. He's low in condition. That's the only wrong thing about this bird. Other than that, the wings, the feet are perfect. And what I've just done is just to deworm him, and he's going to have his food in his bay. And in a few days' time, hopefully he's going to be outside in a rehab aviary. We can check his strength, and then he can be released back to the wild in time to migrate south to Africa. Cool. Not so chilly. We've got a female Sparrowhawk, juvenile. Just going to deworm her. Just like this. And I don't need to give her any liquid food because she's eating on her own, which is perfect. Striking bird.